We at Cars24 have grown rapidly in the last few months, and one of the biggest challenge for us within logistics was to manage hundreds of drivers that we have across multiple cities that we operate. Allocation of the rides and the tracking of the driver. These were the two things that we were struggling very badly. To be very honest, we had no clue which rider is picking up a car on which particular day and when he is going to deliver that particular car. Plus, the allocation was all manually. There used to be one person sitting at the head office making sure that all the rides and requests that we have is being allocated to the drivers. They would be sharing this information with the drivers through SMSs, through emails, through calls, and making sure that drivers are making an adherence to these pickup requests.
The nature of business is such that a driver can do only a single pickup and drop at any given point of time. Until and unless he completes one delivery, he cannot start the next task. Locus is controlling the movement of our cars and drivers between our retail centers, our parking yards, and the channel partners, which is very crucial to our business. The good part for the drivers is that they get their first task in the vicinity of their homes, thereby eliminating the need to travel during crucial office hours. The driver now also takes pictures of the car before pickup and after delivery. This acts as a proof of delivery, which is essential for a high value asset such as cars. This creates a clear accountability across all the touch points in the value chain in terms of condition of the car.
मॉर्निंग में हमारे फ़ोन में 4 से 5 टास्क आते हैं, जिसमें कि हमारे होम से नज़दीकी जो सेंटर होता है सबसे पहले पिकअप हमारा वहाँ होता है और सबसे नज़दीकी जो हमारी पार्किंग सेट होती है हम उस कार को वहाँ ड्रॉप कर देते हैं और हमें कभी किसी को कॉल करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, नहीं हमारे किसी ऑफिसर को हमें कॉल करने की जरूरत पड़ती।
Locus is empowering our drivers and making their lives easy.
They are also able to manage their day properly, and more importantly, they also have all the evidences and proofs that while picking up a car, how was the condition of the car, while dropping a car, how was the condition of the car. When we partnered with Locus, we obviously started with 2 or 3 cities, but today we are working with more than 40 plus cities. With the help of Locus, we were able to fill the gaps that were there in our processes and improve operations. We look forward to reaching new destinations with Locus in the future.